I'm going to verify that y equal to e power minus 3x is a solution of differential equation, this one. So let's see the answer. So first here, writing the given y equal to e power minus 3x. So this is the given. Now thereafter we need to calculate second differentiation and the first differentiation. So doing the differentiation with respect to x, so dy by dx, and here d e power minus 3x divided by dx. So this is the given. Now you already know exponential differentiation ex only. So here first we need to do the differentiation of e power minus 3x. So exponential differentiation e power minus 3x. Then after minus 3x differentiation, so if you do d minus 3x differentiation divided by dx, the value come minus 3. So that here we can write minus 3. So that here we can write dy by dx, the value that come minus 3 e power minus 3x. So this come. Now after that we need to calculate your second derivative. So again we need to do the differentiation with respect to x. So d²y dx². Now minus 3 is the constants. Then after d e power minus 3x divided by dx. Okay, so again here minus 3, then e power minus 3x differentiation the same, and minus 3x differentiation minus 3. So after that here we can write d²y divided by dx². So minus minus that change to plus 9, and here e power minus 3x. So this is your second derivative that come. Now after that taking the LHS and making 0. So now here writing taking LHS left hand side. So left hand side second derivative d²y divided by dx², and the next is dy by dx plus dy by dx minus 6y. So that should become equal to 0. So now here writing the value of second derivative 9 e power minus 3x. Then after plus dy by dx value, so dy minus 3 e power minus 3x, minus 3 e power minus 3x, and here minus 6 y value e power minus 3x, e power minus 3x. Now after that here we can write 9 e power minus 3x and plus minus minus. So this we can write minus 3 e power minus 3x, and this is here minus 6 e power minus 3x. So if you calculate this all, that come the value come 0. Now on the RHS, that is equal to 0. So we can write here LHS equal to RHS equal to 0. So that here this is the solution of differential equation, and we need to verify it. So LHS equal to RHS, and there we can write verified. So this is the way we can check this question, write the given, do the differentiation, use this formula, and after that second derivative we need to calculate, take the LHS, make that 0. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.